well over 100,000 fans have gathered.
43 cars all lined up, ready to go.
It's just about time to light the fuse and go at it.
Both the Burger King cars practiced in the top dozen.
I'm impressed with the work they've done. They race well.
Travis Quapple out on the racetrack at the Burger King 93.
David Ruderman, the BK Racing Toyota.
All right, Dave, coming to the green. A lot of strategy. Anybody can win it. We can do it.
All right, fellas. I'll give you the best I got. Have a good day here.
Boogity, boogity, boogity! Let's go racing, boys! Green flag in the air, and they are off.
David Ruderman just charged along the inside of the racetrack.
And at 93, Travis Quapple shot through.
Travis Quapple, through all of his travails tonight, finished in 16th position.
These Burger King cars, this group has done a really nice job. They look good. Teams are all functioning well. Drivers are doing a good job. I'm impressed with the work they've done.
Here are the two BK cars.
I'm gonna tell you, these guys have worked hard.
Quapple's going to be up near the top of the board in the Burger King Toyota.
Boy, I tell you what, when Ruderman got by him, he left him.
These two cars have been very strong since the beginning.